Hello, I hate this update. Okay, why did I open my door? First of all, I hate this update because of the thunder and shit. It's annoying. And also, I'm back with my shit, and there was a zombie. Oh my god! This is a zombie update. I'm gonna go on one of the servers, but also there's a new. Oh my god! New weapons, and I collected some because I do not have enough research points and I have not gone mining in the last 15 years. So, the new mode, let's see it. Damn it, fuck.
Yo, guys, just take a little ball and they one-shot them and they...
Wait, how do we go?
Hold the button
Hey, yo, chill.
activate the gun.
I don't like this.
Reload it automatically.
Guys, is everyone okay in this?
Hey, good.
Help! Help! Somebody help! We need backup! Get backup!
Guys, everybody!
Can you give me a Dawn hammer?
No.
Will somebody give me a gun?
What's this?
Hey, can I have that meat? Yeah, button flash.
I don't feel fucking good. Oh, no, good.
Get away from me. Yeah, you guys got them out.
Why is it so laggy? Get me out of here!
Get the rocket launcher!
Get me out!
Rocket launcher.
Open fire! Open fire!
Guys, oh,
When did you manage to
I think that's it.
Help!
Help!
no, that's mine!
Hammer! Help!
Help! Somebody
I'm destroyed! That's my hammer! Give it back!
Yeah!
Help! Get my help!
Guys! Hey, come on!
Oh, I'm
Leave
Please, I already know.
run!
Yeah.
Oh my god, good.
No, I can't!
Who has my
They won't stop coming!
Get back up!
I'm at my pink
It's chaos!
Damn it!
Thank you!
Get me a fucking box!
Oh no, there's too many people. Guys, this is main payment!
How do I join you? Oh.
What
Ah!
Get out! No!
I see!